shuttle is coming over the state of Florida. It will be the third shuttle to land at Kennedy Space Center. Two others were scheduled to land, diverted to Edwards Air Force Base in California due to weather problems.
Equivalent airspeed now 247 knots.
The first landing at KSC was in February of '84. That was the Challenger, which had deployed the two satellites that were picked up on this mission by Discovery.
Velocity 732 feet.
Sonic boom was just heard over the Kennedy Space Center moments ago.
Nautical miles.
Getting ready to make its final turn. As it approaches the runway, shuttle will be traveling at 328 miles per hour, about twice the speed of a commercial airliner as they prepare to land.
Now 14.4 nautical miles, 627 feet per second.
They'll be landing at the 15,000-foot runway, one of the longest in the world.
330 at 5, Rick. Okay, thank you, Nick.
The shuttle is being piloted by Commander Rick Houck, 43 years old, Captain, U.S. Navy.
Discovery now at 21,000 feet, 11.5 nautical miles to touchdown.
It'll be the first time he has landed here at Kennedy Space Center, but he's made many attempts in the shuttle training aircraft, which is configured similar to the shuttle.
Holding steady at about 260 knots.
Rick Houck took over the controls at about 40,000 feet, guides it in the last 2 minutes here to its landing in Florida. The astronaut said they've made several trips back just to look through the window this morning to peer at those two satellites, just to make certain they were there and to sort of pinch themselves and convince themselves they had successfully completed this daring rescue attempt. For a while, it appeared this morning that the shuttle might have to be diverted to Edwards Air Force Base in California. Cloud cover in Florida was presenting some problems, but the clouds have parted and the shuttle is about to land as it comes through those broken clouds, all that are left from the cloud cover we had earlier this morning.
4.6 nautical miles out. Airspeed 290 knots.
This is the 45th manned flight.
3.6 nautical miles.
They've now entered the 127th orbit as they prepare to land. After a mission of almost 8 days, you can now see them from the ground cameras at Kennedy Space Center. Approaching this runway, which is 15,000 feet long, 300 feet wide.
700 feet, 1.4 nautical miles.
They will be landing at about 224 miles an hour, almost double the speed used by commercial aircraft.
And locked. We have touchdown.
To the applause of those at the runway at Kennedy Space Center, the shuttle touches down. After a trip of 3,301,026 miles.
Space Center. After a 2.5 million mile service call, the crew of 51A is home.
It will roll to a stop, takes about 25 seconds before it gets to the runway.
Entry time was 4 seconds off.